Subdivision 5, exercise 9.6, question number 1. Integral 0 to 90 sin square x cos power 4x dx. So here m equal to 2, n equal to 4, both even. Okay. So already told you both even means what is the first step? N minus 1 by m plus n. Then reduce 2 both in numerator and denominator, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4, etc. 1 by m plus 2. Okay, into this is m minus 1 by n, etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2, m minus 3 by m minus 2, etc. So this is the formula. Okay, the given integral I can be written as, so use that one. N equal to 4, put n equal to 4 and m equal to 2 in the formula. So 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 plus 2, 6 into 1 by, if 1 comes we have to put, if 1 comes, remember 1 comes we have to put m plus 2. So m is 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So we have to put into 1 by 4. Do it clearly, my dear student. Okay, anyway, if we subtract, the same we are getting. Okay, so 6 minus 2 we are getting the same 4 into the second, apply sign alone for even formula. So m minus 1 by n, so 1 by 2, already told you if 1 by 2 comes we have to put pi by 2. Okay, so 3 pi, sorry we can cancel 1 times, so 2 times, so pi by 2, 8 is 16, okay, into 2, 32. So pi by 32 is the answer. So my dear student, remember this formula. Remember the first step alone, n minus 1 by m plus n, if both even, n minus n by m plus n, then reduce 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. If 1 comes, stop it, and alone apply the even formula for sign alone, m minus 1 by m. So m minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 comes, we have to multiply pi by 2. So this is the answer for subdivision 5. And subdivision 6, okay. So subdivision 6, the question is, wait a minute student, integral I equal to integral 0 to 2 pi sin power 7 x by 4 dx. It is similar to the third and fourth subdivisions. Let me take t equal to x by 4, dt equal to dx by 4. So dx equal to 4 dt. Again change of limit. X varies from 0 to 180. T varies from 0 to what is that? 2 pi by 4. Again we are getting pi by 2. Okay, the given integral can be written as, okay, integral 0 to 90 sin power 7 t into 4 dt. I am taking that 4 outside. So 4 into integral 0 to 90 sin power 7 t dt. Again apply the reduction formula for odd number. Anyway, no need to difference between odd and even. Okay, so 4 into n minus 1 by n. Remember the first step, that alone. So 6 by 7, okay, 4 by 5, odd number. So 2 by 3 comes, stop it. So 2 by 3, okay, that's all. So if anything possible, so 2 times, 1 time. So 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. So 64 by 7 5s are 35. So 64 by 35, this is the answer. So subdivision 3, 4 and this subdivision 6 all are the same. Subdivision 5, if you want, you can apply Aliter method also. That sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square. The previous question, integral 0 to pi by 2. Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square into cos power 4x dx. So it can be written as cos square power 4x minus cos power 6x dx. If you want, you can apply simply the formula. Okay, we are getting anyway n minus 1 by, okay, no need to apply the second type of reduction. Okay, subdivision 7. The question is I equal to integral 0 to 90 sin cube theta cos power 5 theta d theta. Already told you, if n is odd, n may be even or odd, we need to apply the first step is the same, n minus 1 by m plus n, and reduce both the numerator denominator 2. So n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 and n minus 5 by m plus n minus 4, etc. 2 by, that's alone you need to remember. Okay, so 2 by m plus 3 into 1 by m plus 1, last 2 by m plus 3 into 1 by m plus 1. Remember this one. If n is odd, here m equal to 3, n equal to 5. So n is odd. Okay, use this formula. First step alone, n minus 1 by m plus 1, reduce 2, both the numerator denominator. Likewise proceed. If 2 comes, you have to put m by 3 in the denominator and 1 by m plus 1. Remember the last 2 steps. So use the formula here. So it is n. So 4 by 8 into, okay, 2 by, what is that? 2 by, what we need to put? So 6, 1 by, so what is that? 4. So this, if we want, we can cancel this. So if we cancel, what we are getting, this 4 cancel. So 1, here 3. So 1 by 24. So 1 by 24 is the answer for subdivision 7. So subdivision 8, already told you, if it is of the form integral 0 to 1 x power m into 1 minus x whole power n dx, it is nothing but m factorial by n factorial into m plus n plus 1 factorial. So we are going to apply that formula. Okay, so listen, subdivision 8. I equal to integral 0 to 1, what is the question? X square into 1 minus x the whole cube dx. Okay, here m equal to 2, n equal to 3, integral 0 to 1 x power m 1 minus x whole power n dx equal to m factorial into n factorial by m plus n plus 1 factorial. So use the formula directly here. Okay, I think the formula present in page number 120 in your book. So use that formula. So 2 factorial into 3 factorial by 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 factorial. So 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so 2, 3, 6 cancel. So 1, 2 cancel. So what is remaining? 1 by 4 3s are 12, 5 12s are 60. So 1 by 60. That is the answer for the last question, subdivision 8 in the exercise 9.6. My dear student, listen, the next topic is gamma integral. So in your book, page number 121, the definition is given. Integral 0 to infinity, look at that, integral 0 to infinity e power minus x into x power n minus 1 dx is called as the gamma integral, and it is denoted by the symbol gamma of n. This is called as gamma of n. Okay, we can simply write as gamma of n. Okay, so how they are defining means the value of the integral is nothing but n minus 1 factorial. Okay, it is nothing but n minus 1 factorial. Okay, or integral 0 to infinity e power minus x, x power n dx equal to n factorial. So my dear student, so remember this one like a formula. Usually in the previous book it is given as gamma integral in the name of gamma integral. So limit 0 to infinity e power minus ax into x power n dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So we can repeatedly using this one. Anyway, according to the new book definition, it is given, remember it, e power minus x power n plus 1 dx equal to n minus 1 factorial. Not n plus 1, n minus 1. If x power n present means n factorial. So according to me, so remember this as a gamma integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax into x power n dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. Okay. So remember this as a gamma integral, or it is denoted by gamma of n. Okay. So now we are going to apply these results in the next exercise 9.7. The first question is all the things evaluate. So first sum, subdivision 1, I equal to integral 0 to infinity x power 5, okay, e power minus 3x dx. So write this formula, integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax into x power n dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. Just to compare with the formula, in the place of n we have 5, in the place of a we have 5, forget this minus, okay. So put it in the formula, n equal to 5, a equal to 3. So 5 factorial by 3 power 5 plus 1, okay. So 5 factorial by 3 power 6. I think no need to simplify this answer. So 5 factorial by 3 power 6. So second subdivision, okay. Question number 1, exercise 9.7, subdivision 2, take the given integral as I. So integral 0 to 90, okay, e power minus tan inverse of x by cos power 6x dx. So listen, if tan comes means the derivative of tan is secant square. So we need secant square, that is a hint in the question. So integral 0 to pi by 6 e power minus tan x. This 1 by cos power 6 can be written as secant power 6 x dx. So integral 0 to pi by 6 e power minus tan x. Already told you the derivative of tan x is secant square. We need secant square x into dx. So it can be written as secant square x the whole square into secant square x dx. I am writing the power 6x, 4 plus 2, 2 square into 2, okay. So integral 0 to pi by 6 e power tan inverse of x e power tan minus tan x into secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. So secant square equal to 1 plus tan square x the whole square secant square x dx. Now use the substitution method. So take t equal to tan x, okay, t equal to tan x. So dt equal to secant square x dx. Now change of limit, okay. X varies from 0 to what is given, sorry, not pi by 6, pi by 2, first 90, okay. So tan 0 0, tan 90 infinity. So the given integral becomes 0 to infinity e power minus t, okay, 1 plus t square the whole square into dt, 1 plus t square the whole square into dt. Now we can divide into 3 integrals, a plus b the whole square, what we are getting, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 1 plus 2t square plus t power 4. I am writing in 3 terms. So 1 into e power minus t dt plus integral 0 to infinity 2t square, 2 is constant, I am taking outside. So plus 2 into t square e power minus t dt plus integral 0 to infinity, okay, what we are getting, t square the whole square, t power 4 e power minus d dt. Are you clear? So a plus b the whole square, 1 plus 2 t square plus 2 t power 4, I divided into 3 integrals, okay. So 3 integrals. So first one can be written as, if you want you can write as t power 0. So just now we have the formula integral 0 to infinity x power n into e power minus x dx equal to n factorial integral 0 to infinity x power n into e power minus x dx equal to n factorial. Use this formula for all the three. Here n equal to 0. Okay, so first one 0, what we are getting 0 factorial. So the same first one 1 can be written as d power 0. So 0 factorial plus 2 is a constant. Okay, here n equal to 2. So into 2 factorial plus here n equal to 4. So into 4 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 2 4. So 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 24. Okay. So 28. So 29. This is the answer for subdivision 2. So remember my dear student. So it is a formula integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus x dx equal to n factorial. Here n is 0, here n is 2, here n is 4. Repeatedly we are applying the same formula. 0 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 2 into 2 4, here 24, the sum is 29. Question number 2 in the exercise 9.7, the question is integral 0 to infinity e power minus alba into x square into x cube dx equal to 32, where alba is positive, find alba. So first take the given integral alone, take it as some I. Okay, if it is of the form x power n into e power minus ax, we can apply the formula directly, but here x square is present. So use the substitution method, take x square equal to t. Okay, the whole thing alba x square as t. So dt equal to 2 alba x dx. So x dx equal to dt by 2 alba. Okay, and the meantime x square equal to t by alba. Okay, so now listen, I can be written as, if you want you can write this as integral 0 to infinity e power minus alba x square. This x cube can be written as x square into x dx. So we need this one. Okay, so if you apply here, so here change of limit, x varies from 0 to infinity, t also no change, the same 0 to infinity. So integral 0 to infinity, okay, e power minus t x square is again what is that, t by alba. So t by alba into x dx is dt by 2 alba. So 1 by 2 alba square is a constant, take it outside. Integral 0 to infinity t into e power minus d dt. Now it is of the gamma integral formula. Integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus x dx is nothing but n factorial. Here n is nothing but 1. So it is nothing but 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is 1. So 1 by 2 alba square into 1 factorial is 1. So remember the formula 0 to infinity x power n e power minus x dx equal to n factorial. Here is n is 1. So 1 factorial is 1. So what is given? Given that it is nothing but 32. So which implies 1 by 2 alba square is given as 32. Given, it is given in the question. I equal to 32. So 1 by 2 alba square equal to 32. Okay. So if we take the reciprocal, alba square equal to, if we cross multiply it becomes 64. So alba square equal to 1 by 64. Alba equal to plus or minus 1 by 8. But here given that alba is positive, so alba equal to 1 by 8, that is the suitable answer.